Okay guys, I'm here to talk to you about the post I made in the group. This one. As soon as I made this joking, as soon as you guys started commenting, I said, oh my god, what have I done? So I'm going to show you what have I done. My car is the 07. You need an 07 onwards to do this. It's the one that has this front dash, big radio opening, where this chunky radio goes. You also need an Android unit. This one is the one I bought. It's bad, really bad, but it's a budget. I'm under the budget, so I have to live with it. This is the OBD Bluetooth adapter I have. Really simple, cheap one. I really don't know the link where I got it from, but I'll post some links on the comments, on the description I mean, so you guys can know what I have done. As for the fascia, obviously I don't have it here, it's in the car, but it's so bad that it doesn't have material to accommodate the radio and lock it in place, so I had to make some brackets and drill this area on the one that's in my car, so I could have the radio in place somehow. Now, the ones I bought was what you need. This adapter for the antenna, because the Saab antenna is this connector, and normal radios should be something like this. This is the fascia. As you can see, there's in this area should be especially on the sides, some material to attach the radio, and has nothing. It's a bad fascia. The wiring, this is not exactly the one I bought, because the one I bought is not available again, but it's the same thing. You have to let me see. No, sorry, not this one, but quick search. And you will find what you need. For that year, none of these work. Oh, forgot. Saab. This is the one you want. You have to look carefully for these plugs, because these are the ones you need to connect to your Saab 9.3. Sorry about that. This is a radio, pretty cheap. I bought it in October because it was on sale, and it's still on sale. I really don't advise this radio because quality sound, volume control is very poor. On the minimum setting, it's just too loud. But if you look like me on a budget, should do it. I don't listen to radio anyway. Just use the USB drive for my music. This is the Bluetooth adapter. Pretty standard, just cheap. You only have to read codes from the engine. And being an Android, I advise you to buy Torque Pro, because it's a really nice app to have in your car and check your coolant temperature, boost, power, anything. There's a lot of information you can see while driving, and also clear engine codes. Hope you guys understood what I said, because as you can tell, I'm not English. I have to translate everything in my head and probably have a terrible accent. Sorry guys, see you next video. Cheers.